merge it together just to get a shape. I'll merge here this and this together. Now I'll move my shape up here. I just want to reduce the shape. It's a bit big for what I want to do. Now I merge it. This and this will go down. You can also get logos of Airtel that has a shape already. So anyone you want to use, you can use it as well. Now I come here. I will get my 9 Mobile logo. Okay, 9 Mobile logo. Okay. Now I'll get here and here. Is it to circle? No. It takes circle. So I want to get this 9 Mobile. You can also get 9 Mobile logos that are intact, but I always like to use these ones for myself. So you pick it, reduce the size, you place it on the 9 Mobile logo as well. For this Airtel, you can get logos from Google that are more better than this one. So this one I just want to use it for this training. So this is it. Here we have it. So I'm going to merge each network with each data. So this, I'll use this, I'll merge it. That is for MTN. This I'll merge with this for Glow. This I'll merge with this for Airtel. And then this I'll merge with this for 9 Mobile. Now they're all together, so I can reduce them as much as I want to, so that I can be able to place what the ones that are still remaining. So we'll get them here, reduce it, straighten it. So we're going to be reducing it so that we can place the remaining objects or letters we still need to place. We'll get this one, do as well. So now you can place them in the right proportion as well. So now we're going to place a balance like most people request for. You put your balance. Let me check for the network because I cannot do it off head in front. So we're going to put balance check. You know the ones you have. So I'm just going to do a random balance check here. You put balance check. Okay, then I'm going to choose a column. You're going to use a yellow color for MTN. So I'll be using a yellow color for MTN. Yellow color for MTN. So I'm going to find a font that will be better or best for me to use. So I'm going to use Blogger Sans. Then I reduce the size. You can make it bold as well. You come to style, you make it bold. Then I position it in the middle of this text. You put in the code, then I copy it. I edit it. So for MTN it's like star 4 what I don't know, 461 star 7 or so. So you know the right one you put it, I don't know it, so I'm just putting a random one. So you place it, you bring it down, so you know your balance check, you put it. So I'm using random number here. Bring it up. So you just put it for each network. You change the color, you copy this. For each network you copy, you change the color. So I'm going to change this color to green. Change the color to green. You copy this text as well, this one. You copy, change the color to green. You bring it down. So I'm not changing anything so that I will be able to save enough data. Okay. So this one, I place it here. Then I copy it again. You copy it, you bring it down here. You change the color for Airtel to red. You copy this one. You change the color to that same red. You bring it down. Bring it down. You copy it again. You change the color. You change the color to green. You copy this one also. You copy it. You change the color to green. Then we'll move it down to where it's supposed to be. You change the color. Good. So now we've placed it together. Then we're going to put other services include. We add text, new text, we edit, we delete. Other services include. You place it here. Then you look for a suitable font, a good font. So I use this one. I reduce the size. I change the color to red so that people can catch the attention, can move to there, so that they can be able to read what you do and what you don't do. So we'll use that red. We'll go to shape so that I can be able to place what you do. We choose circle. I choose a red color for my shape. Then I reduce it. Make it very tiny. Then I come down here and move it so that I can be able to still reduce it because I need it to be very small. I go to relative size, then I reduce it from there. I leave it in 1. and copy. I move, it. I copy again. I move it. I'm trying to make it faster. I copy again. I move it faster. Now here, other services. This is our places you place your what you do, wire pins, data bundle, recharge card, or what have you. So I can't place it now because my battery is going down. So here is where you place your other services, the services which you do. Then you get down here. I'm going to import your WhatsApp and your call pin. So I get this WhatsApp. Okay, I reduce it. I place it down here. Place it down. I import the second one, which is for call. I reduce it as well. I bring it down. Then I'm going to add any random number. I delete 090 12244444. Okay. Then I place it down here. I always use my font so that my number will be bold. I always use chalk 5 for my numbers. So this is my number here. This is where you place your number underneath. You can also download all this WhatsApp logo or a call logo from Google. You can get them from Google. Then on this side, I'm going to do something now. You place account number. Where you place it, the person requests for account number. This is where you place it. Okay, let's look for a name. Stella Daniel. Stella Daniel. So let me use this font. I use this font. I reduce the size because it's a bit big. I reduce the size to this. Okay. Then I move it to the center. I copy and I delete it for account number 0012454352. Okay, we place the account number. So we're going to place it. I'm going to place it. I usually do it faster than this, but because I'm talking and doing it. So here we've placed it. We'll copy it again so that we put the bank name. We delete it first bank. First bank. We'll bring it down. So you try to, when I would have done this more detailed, but my battery is going very down. So I place it here. if you want to, if that person has two numbers, you have to reduce everything here to make sure it gets together. So this is where you place the account detail. You place the person's account number.